Tea tree oil for yeast infection. Using tea tree oil for yeast infection may offer many benefits but can also cause unpleasant side effects when used incorrectly. This expert's guide summarizes our experience working with tea tree oil for yeast infection and Candida issues. We looked into traditional remedies, published medical studies as well as the thousands of the tea tree oil for yeast infection reviews we gathered over our many years of practice. Tea tree oil and yeast infection. Benefits, side effects, and risks. Most of tea tree oil uses and benefits come from tea tree oil antifungal, antimicrobial, and antiseptic properties. Tea tree oil has a long history of traditional use as medicine for cuts and wounds by the Aboriginal people of Australia. Tea tree oil antifungal properties are well known and were demonstrated in many studies. Tea tree oil was shown as effective against fungus, Candida, and yeast infections. Using tea tree oil for thrush and mouth, oral thrush, and other oral yeast infection issues is not recommended. According to the medical literature, tea tree oil can be toxic if consumed orally, with many reports of serious cases of tea tree oil poisoning documented. For more details, click the link below in the description.